Hello, good morning.
Morning, sir.
Okay. We are starting with sums based on conservation of momentum. We are starting with taking it together. I'll be doing 20 sums today, 20, 25 sums. And then every lecture I'll be doing 25, 25, and we'll finish it off. Can you all see the slide? Green color?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number 1. A bullet of mass small m and velocity v is fired into a block of mass m and sticks to it. So what is going to happen? There's a bullet of mass small m, speed v, capital M is at rest. This is the initial condition. What are the final condition? That this both stick to one another and move with a velocity v dash, which I don't know. Can anyone tell me, beta, what is conserved in this thing? Come on, faster. Keep your mics on, please.
Momentum.
Momentum is conserved. Means initial momentum, final momentum. Initial momentum of the system is small mv, and the iska momentum to zero hai. Final momentum will become capital M plus small m into v dash. So v dash will become small mv. This will be the resultant answer. Small mv upon capital M plus small m. So it is not matching with any one of them. None of these. Yes or no? Hello. Okay. Question number 2.
So it's matching with B.
B may V is there in the denominator, right? I can't see. It's printed wrong or what?
No, sir, it's the
No, sir, it's in the
numerator.
numerator.
Oh, it's in the numerator only in the book. Sorry. So this will be written as capital V. This is this way. Okay. Now, question number 2. A bullet of mass 5 grams is fired with a velocity from a rifle. What is the recoil velocity? We know again the same thing. Initial momentum of the bullet and the rifle was 0. Final momentum will be mass of the velocity, mass of the bullet, velocity of the bullet, minus mass of the gun, velocity of the gun, because it is going back, right? Gun. So can I say initial momentum is equal to final momentum is 0 is equal to small mv minus capital mv. So capital mv, small mv. I want to find the recoil velocity of the rifle, that is v, capital V. So it will become small mv by capital M. Small m is 5 grams, 900 meter per second, and mass of the gun is 2.5 kg. It will become 1800, 1.8 meter per second. Hello, did you understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Basic questions, basic questions. Recoil is a very famous question in your NEET. So this question has to be done properly. Yes?
You have to get direct formula before also.
Yeah. Yes, I've derived. No issues with that. I had given it to you. Now, I'll pick up some question. Question number 4. See, there are two trains A and B running in the same direction. on parallel rails. So there is two trains A and B. Train A. And यहाँ पर there is train B. Yeah, parallel to one another. So that A is faster than B. So A is faster. So he is going with the speed of VA and he is going with the speed of VB. But I know that VA is greater than VB. Packets of equal weight are transferred between them. So I am throwing one packet from A this way. And there's another packet which is transferred from B to A. Are you getting it? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What will happen due to him? Now, this is very important. Pay attention. Huh? See, if I leave a packet from A, can anyone tell me which velocity will it acquire in air?
VA.
VA. Actually, you throw it this way also, it will have this velocity, na VA. याद है ना kinematics? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
And B से अगर packet if I leave, he will acquire VB. Wherever it is going, but he will acquire the velocity of the system. Do you agree with me? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
तो जब ये इसके पास जाएगा, जब ये अंदर जाएगा, जब ये पैकेट ए वाला पैकेट ऐसे जाएगा, तो कैन आई से इस वेलोसिटी के कारण बी के मोमेंटम को क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? बी का मोमेंटम बढ़ जाएगा कि कम हो जाएगा? विल इट इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज ड्यू टू द पैकेट फ्रॉम ए? ड्यू टू, यस यस यस, वेरी गुड, ड्यू टू पैकेट फ्रॉम ए when lands on B, momentum of B will क्या होगा?
Increase.
Increase. Yes or no? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
And what will happen? What will happen to, what is the answer? A के बारे में क्या होगा? A, yes, A के बारे में क्या होगा? Two trains are running in the same direction. Yeah. A will be accelerated, B will be retarded. B will be accelerated, A will be retarded. Will A be retarded? Yes. Hello. Tell me. Come on, fast pace. देखो इसका तो पक्का हो गया कि जब जब इसमें लैंड करेगा इनिशियल मोमेंटम इतना हो जाएगा. देखो हम लोग इक्वेशन लिख के देखते हैं. जस्ट ट्राई टू पे अटेंशन एंड लिसन ओवर हियर. इफ आई स्पीक अबाउट A, I know that initial momentum is final momentum. बराबर? Hello? Hello, hello, hello. Yes or no? What was the initial momentum of A? Let the mass be m, दोनों का. And packet is very negligible. So it will become m into VA. M into VA. What will be the final momentum of the A block? Come on, tell me. Yes or no? Hello? Yeah. बोलो भाई. It will be m plus m. ये हो जाएगा ना. See, it will be. One second. Sorry. Initial momentum of the. This is packets of equal weight are transferred. If I write for A, initial momentum is final momentum. Initial momentum of A. What is the initial momentum of A? Or of the system, it will be mVA plus mVB, and finally it will be m plus m V dash. Okay. And about B, if I try to write, it is m VB plus mVA will be m plus m into V double dash. Okay. Just let me do it, then I'll explain it to you. V dash हो जाएगा mVA plus mVB upon m plus m, and V double dash हो जाएगा mVB plus mVA upon m plus m. Now over here, ओके ठीक है. अब इधर आते हैं हम लोग फिर से, बिकॉज दिस इज एक्चुअली अ वेरी कॉन्सेप्चुअल क्वेश्चन. आई विल डू इट अगेन सो दैट यू ऑल कैन अंडरस्टैंड. देखो इधर डायरेक्टली देख कर नहीं आएगा आप लोग को. सी, आर यू लिसनिंग ना? हेलो, आर यू
Yes,
लिसनिंग?
sir.
नाउ लिसन टू मी केयरफुली. This is a train of mass m. Is going at the speed of va. There's a small packet inside of mass small m. This guy is also going. Mass m vb. A small packet inside mass m. Can anyone tell me if I transfer the masses? If I transfer the masses, देखो a के साथ नहीं करता है, ये क्या हो जाएगा? ये कैपिटल m है. हेलो, है कि नहीं? हेलो, कैपिटल m. ये स्मॉल m. अच्छा, ये स्मॉल m जो है वो बाहर आ गया. स्मॉल m has come outside. So can anyone tell me the small m will acquire what mass? What velocity? Hello. The small m which was there will acquire which velocity? Va. Yes or no?
VA.
Va. Correct है ना? Yes or no? And he's going to land up in B. Going to VB. Similarly, this guy is also going to go mass m VB. Yes or no? Hello. And finally, what will happen? Finally, what will happen? This guy will go inside. And he will become V dash. and this guy will go here, and this will become V double dash. Did you agree? Hello? Hello, do you agree with me? Baba, hello, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is there. Now, can I say this is the initial case? And this is the final case. इसको start वाले को जाने दो. Okay, so this I'm not taking into consideration. This though they were traveling initially only, so this I'm not taking. I'm rubbing this. When transferring happens, that is the initial case, and after the transfer happens, it is the final case. This is actually a JE question which is involved. They have just paid it into theory, which cannot be solved by looking at it. अच्छा, इनिशियल कंडीशन में ए के लिए बात करते हैं हम लोग, सिर्फ ए. इनिशियल कंडीशन में उसके पास जो सिस्टम है ए का जो सिस्टम है उसका कैन आई से इनिशियल मोमेंटम ऑफ द सिस्टम इज इक्वल टू फाइनल मोमेंटम ऑफ द सिस्टम. इनिशियल मोमेंटम ऑफ ए का सिस्टम इज एम. अच्छा, ये जो हो जाएगा ये हो जाएगा एम. लुक ओवर हियर. हां बेटा, क्या लिसन टू मी. ये एम और यहां पर m जो था स्टार्ट में निकल गया ना, तो दिस इज बिकम m minus m. Yes or no? Because initially there was a packet and the whole mass was taken as m ना. हेलो, या तो ऐसे नहीं करना है तो आपको चलेगा, यू कैन राइट दिस एज ऐसे ही लिख लो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. वी आर टेकिंग दिस वे ओनली. ओके, फॉरगेट अबाउट दिस. कैन एनीवन टेल मी व्हाट इज द इनिशियल मोमेंटम ऑफ द ट्रेन ए? ट्रेन ए का मोमेंटम क्या है? जल्दी बोलो. हेलो, MVA है ना?
MVA.
Yes or no? And of the packet which it is going to land in it will become MVB, because we are talking about the packet which is going to land in A, and both of them जब meet करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा M plus M into V dash. हेलो, yes or no? देखो जरा. हेलो, yes or no? भाई MVA alone of the train. Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Alone of the train. MVB of the packet which is going to land up in it. ठीक है? एंड दोनों मिले तो m plus m v dash हो गया. तो v dash का वैल्यू कितना आया? MVA plus MVB upon m plus m. Can anyone write this for B? चलो हाँ. This is actually a hard question. Okay. चलो बोलो. What is initial momentum of B?
MVB.
MVB plus the packet which is going to land up in it. Which is the packet which is going to land up in it? MVA. और ये हो जाएगा m plus m into v double dash. Yes or no? So it will be v double dash MVB plus MVA upon m plus m. Now, good question. Now this both of them have come. Who will tell me v dash is more or v double dash is more? Come on. And we also know that VA is greater than VB. Hello. Who is more? Who is more? Hello. अच्छा ठीक है. What about the packet? Is the packet का mass very small or very big? Packet.
Small.
Packet is very small. तो पैकेट को हम लोग निग्लेक्ट कर देते हैं. ये चलेगा? ये निग्लेक्ट कर देंगे हम लोग. चलेगा क्या? हेलो.
Yes, sir.
अब बताओ, अब दोनों में से बड़ा कौन है? Who is bigger? MVA is bigger. MVA is bigger or MVB is bigger?
MVA.
MVA is bigger. That means V dash will be greater than V double dash. Yes or no? Yes or no, sir?
Yes, sir.
Can anyone tell me what is the answer now? Answer DC Pandey में wrong दिया है. What is the answer? भाई B को क्या होगा? B को कुछ फर्क पड़ने वाला नहीं है. There will be no change in B. But A will be accelerated ना. देखो ना, ये बढ़ गया ना V dash. और इसको ज्यादा कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ा because it depends on V only, VB only. Yes or no? Hello? Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there will be no change in B, but A will be accelerated. ठीक है? So this is the case. Next question. Question number 5. In two block system, an initial velocity V naught with respect to ground is given to block A. The momentum is not conserved. The momentum of the system is conserved. The increase in momentum is equal to decrease in momentum. All of the above. Okay. चलो. ये rough है, rough. What do you mean by rough ground? Rough का
Friction
क्या
is
होता है?
there.
Friction is there.
Friction is there. Friction will be an internal force or an external force in between them. Friction will be.
So I have a question in the previous sum.
Yeah, beta. Tell me.
So should we also like subtract the momentum of the mass that has been thrown out?
No, I have taken the mass of the train as m only. You should not subtract. This is not the total mass. This is only the mass of the train. And this is the mass of the packet. इसके लिए तो m plus m लिखा मैंने end में. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir, but should we write minus MVA also for the first train? Small MVA.
For the first train, you are writing it. No. It is out of the system, na? System is this both only. See, I'll give you. This is the system. जो बाहर गया वो तो गया ना. You are correct in your sense, but system कौन कौन बन रहा है? Initial system कौन है? Packet and train ना? Hello? And ये
Yes, sir.
final system बना ना? इसका तो linkage इसके साथ हो गया ना बेटा अभी? Hello? Did you get it, Rishi?
Yes, sir.
उसका लिंक उसके साथ हो गया. That's why I'm telling you. ये actually JEE का question है. इधर put कर दिया उन्होंने. Okay? आपको समझा? Got it?
Yes, sir.
सिस्टम में आने वाला है वो उसको लेना है. मैं बताया. या. चलो A पर फ्रिक्शन कैसे लगेगा? Which direction A पर फ्रिक्शन कैसे लगेगा? ऐसे लगेगा ना बेटा. हेलो. एंड B पर फ्रिक्शन कैसे लगेगा? ऐसे लगेगा ना बेटा. हेलो. Yes or no? So how much is the net external force? Can anyone help me out? Come on here, please tell me. What is the net external force? Hello. External force is 0 because this is internal force. So when external force is 0, what is conserved? Beta, what is conserved?
Moment.
Momentum is conserved. So पहला वाला आंसर सही है. The momentum of block A is not conserved. The momentum of block A and B is conserved. The increase in momentum of B is equal to decrease in momentum of A, and all of the above they are telling you. The force of friction of A is in backward direction. Force of friction on B is in forward direction. Net external force 0 hai. Hence momentum of the system is conserved. So momentum of A and B is conserved. Momentum of the system is conserved. Increase in momentum. When the momentum of the system is conserved, that means what? जितना इंक्रीज होगा उतना डिक्रीज होगा. अच्छा, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट मोमेंटम ऑफ द सिस्टम इज कंजर्व्ड. Momentum of A is not conserved. Momentum of the system is conserved. Hello. This is law of conservation of linear momentum of the whole system. खाली एक मास का मोमेंटम कंजर्व नहीं होता है. हेलो, आर यू गेटिंग इट ना? व्हाट्स हैपनिंग? बिकॉज ए के ऊपर तो फ्रिक्शन लग रहा है ना. खाली एक ही बात करेंगे तो फ्रिक्शन इस पे लग रहा है, तो फ्रिक्शन इस पे लगेगा तो व्हाट इज गोना हैपन? ए का स्पीड विल रिड्यूस ना. हेलो, आर यू गेटिंग इट? So is the momentum of A initially and finally the same? No, but the whole system ka momentum is conserved. So momentum of block A is not conserved. That means what will be the answer? All of the above. Are you understanding? Hello? Momentum of individual mass is not constant. This was a again theoretical question, which is conceptual. It's very, very important. We'll come to another question. Number 7 पर आता है. A bob of a or simple pendulum is released when the spring makes an angle of 45 degree. It hits another bob B of the same material and the same mass kept on the table. If the collision is elastic, can anyone tell me what has happened when elastic collision of the same masses happen? Elastic collision of the same masses happen. Hello? Hello?
Exchange of speed.
Suppose when he comes here, can I say he will hit him with how much speed? Does anyone know what will be the speed? Hello? अरे do you know it or not, man? याद है क्या? Hello? Hello? So can I say after collision what will happen? A will come to rest and B will acquire the same speed under root 2 GH. So can I say B will go up to the same height? Yes or no, Baba? Because it is acquired velocity same, na?
Yes, sir.
Can I say this height will also remain the same? Did you understand the whole scenario? And what did the you all say that they whenever the masses are the same and the collision is elastic, they will what will happen? What will they do? They will exchange the speed. So what is the answer? Come on, please help me out with the answer. Who will come to rest and who will rise up to the same height? A will come to rest and B moves with the velocity of A, right or not?
Yes, sir.
B will move with the velocity of A. Same, that is under root 2 GH. And can I say B is going to rise up to the same height? This is the thing. Whenever collision is elastic and they are of the same mass, whenever collision is elastic and they are of the same mass, they will exchange their speeds. I hope you all are understanding, huh? Please. Please solve at least till 20, huh? Everyone has to be doing 20, 25 sums. Consider the following statements. Linear momentum of the particle is 0, of the system is 0. Kinetic energy is also 0. Okay, now look over here, it's very, very important. Huh? पहला वाला statement क्या बोल रहा है? Linear momentum is 0. But kinetic energy of the system is also 0. ये हम लोग देखते हैं. Scenario, I am giving it to you. Can I say there is a mass m, velocity v? Mass m, velocity v. Can anyone tell me what is the momentum of the system? चलो help me out with this thing. Momentum of the system क्या रहेगा? अरे
0.
mv minus mv 0 हो गया. Can anyone tell me kinetic energy of the system क्या रहेगा? Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So does A imply B? Does A fit into B? भाई ऐसे क्वेश्चंस है ना एम्स में आया करते थे. अभी तो एम्स तो निकाल दिया उन्होंने. But these all questions were coming in the एम्स एंड जेपमर के अंदर ऐसे क्वेश्चंस पूछा करते थे. Come on, tell me. Linear momentum is 0. Kinetic energy is also 0. सही है क्या? अरे भाई tell me. Does A imply B?
No.
No, sir.
No. Okay. क्या उल्टा सही है? If the kinetic energy is 0, can momentum also be 0? Yes, sir. Hello. Suppose two bodies are at rest. What is the kinetic energy? Bhai, what is the kinetic energy?
0.
And what is the momentum also?
0.
0. That means A doesn't imply B, but B implies A. Hello.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer? What is the answer? A does not imply B, but B implies A. D, na?
Yes.
Hello. So this is important. Your concepts will get clear by these kind of questions. Okay. If you do more theoretical questions or read more, your concepts will get clear. Question number 10. Now all numerical questions are there that we'll enjoy. What is kinetic energy in terms of P? चलो आपको आता है. What is kinetic energy in terms of P? You know the formula.
P square by 2.
This is to 100 times done. P square by 2m is the answer. Okay, this we know. पहले भी कर चुका है. Okay. Question number 11. बेटा what versus what graph it is? सबसे पहले ग्राफ देखना है. What versus what graph it is?
Kinetic energy and moment.
मोमेंटम है. बट नीचे क्या है? C और D में क्या है?
Square of momentum.
स्क्वायर ऑफ मोमेंटम है. गेटिंग इट? दोनों चीज है. Do you know the formula? Kinetic energy is P square by 2m. Yes or no? Hello.
Yes. Sir.
Can I say kinetic energy is proportional to P square? Or can I say kinetic energy is proportional to what, sir?
Root of P.
नहीं, kinetic energy, एक मिनट. Kinetic energy will be proportional to P square. So if I draw a graph of kinetic energy versus P, how will it be? Abba, tell me. Can anyone help me out? It will become what? It will
Parabola.
become parabola. How will be the parabola? How will be the parabola?
Symmetrical about kinetic energy.
Raised to 1. So it will be actually this way. Yes or no? Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
But यहाँ पर मैच नहीं कर रहा. अच्छा, if I draw kinetic energy versus P square का equation only means if I draw kinetic energy versus P square, तो क्या बनेगा? तो क्या बनेगा भाई?
Straight line.
Straight line. Yes or no? What is the answer? A, B, C, D.
D.
A, B, C, D. Yes. D is the answer. Hello. Did you get it? भाई ये P
Yes,
square
sir.
है यहाँ पर. इसको मत पकड़ लेना. This is P square. Look carefully. This is P. Don't just mark without looking, huh? Then you make silly mistakes and 5 marks are gone like this only. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
तो sum एकदम easy रहेगा. But at that time the tension will be so much the stress will be so much that you will not be able to think, and then you make a mistake. आपको समझ में आ रहा है क्या हो रहा है? Be alert at every moment. Question number 13. But look carefully. I don't want to do more sums. I'll do at least till 20. But आपको है ना फिर से practice करना है ये चीज. Okay, our strategy, our trick will be that you will practice the sums again and again so that you remember. Approximately 800 sums per chapter you need to practice thoroughly 3 times, 4 times. That will include my notes, DC Pandey, 32 years and end mein Marvel. So 2 to 3 times if you do that 800 sums, not 800, I'm talking 800 as maximum limit. अभी छोटा चैप्टर रहेगा तो 800 करने की जरूरत नहीं है. 500 400 will be more than enough, but that has to be repeated at least 3 to 4 times. Okay, इधर solving का काम नहीं है, इधर repetition का बहुत ज्यादा काम है, so that whenever this kind of sum comes again or this type of sum comes again, your brain will be trained for that. Hello, did you understand the strategy? Okay.
Yeah.
Similarly in bio also, similarly in chemistry also. बायो को आपको कम से कम 6 से 8 टाइम पढ़ना है, तभी जाके वो टर्म्स और डेफिनेशंस याद रहेंगे. ओके, सो इट इज नॉट अबाउट मोर डूइंग दिस बुक एंड दैट बुक. यू डू लिमिटेड बट यू डू इट 2 to 3 टाइम्स. इन फिजिक्स आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट a T-shaped object with dimension as shown on the figure is lying on a smooth floor. A force F is applied at point P parallel to AB such that the object has only translational motion. इसका क्या मतलब है? ये कॉन्सेप्ट मैंने आपको पढ़ाया था. एक पॉइंट पे फोर्स लगाते हैं ताकि इट मूव्स इन ट्रांसलेशनल मोशन. व्हाट इज दैट पॉइंट? व्हाट इज दैट पॉइंट?
Center of mass.
सेंटर ऑफ मास. तो इनडायरेक्टली हमको सेंटर ऑफ मास फाइंड करने को बोल रहा है. आर यू गेटिंग इट? विद रिस्पेक्ट टू सी. विद रिस्पेक्ट टू सी मतलब क्या? ये रेफरेंस है मेरा. दिस इज माय ओरिजिन. आर यू गेटिंग इट? आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग बच्चा? हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now can I divide this into 2 parts? Can I divide this into 2 parts? This is first mass and this is second mass. Can anyone tell me first mass के coordinates क्या रहेंगे? ये origin अगर है, ये अगर origin है, ये हमारा x axis बनेगा और ये हमारा कौन सा axis बनेगा? Come on man, come on. Y axis बनेगा. Are you there with me? अरे are you all there with me?
Yes, sir.
चलो, इस वन जो मास है ना, ये जो वन मास है ना, इसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स बताओ सेंटर ऑफ मास के, इस टुकड़े के, इस रेक्टेंगल के. ये जो रेक्टेंगल है ना 1, उसके
0, L.
0 बिकॉज लेंथ आप देख सकते हो 2L है, तो इसका सेंटर ऑफ मास रहेगा 0, L. हेलो 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 हेलो. यस और नो? चलो, दूसरे वाले मास के क्या रहेगा सेंटर ऑफ मास? इसका सेंटर ऑफ मास क्या रहेगा? हेलो, कम ऑन.
0, 0.
नो, 0, 0 कैसे रहेगा?
Sorry.
0, 0 तो ये है.
2L.
0, L.
And
0,
L by
2L.
2.
L/2 कैसे?
2L.
L/2
2L.
भाई, दिस इज अवर ओरिजिन. हेलो, ये y एक्सिस पर ऊपर जा रहे हो ना आप. दिस इज 0, 2L. आर यू गेटिंग इट? हेलो बाबा.
Yes, sir.
But this is my origin, x, and this is y. Can I say this is 0, 0? Can I say first mass is situated here? This is 0, L. And second mass is here. This is 0, 2L. Acha. One more concept. What about first mass and second mass? बेटा, फर्स्ट जो मास है, फर्स्ट का लेंथ कितना है? फर्स्ट वाले जो टुकड़ा है उसका लेंथ कितना है?
2L.
2L. एंड सेकंड वाले टुकड़े का मास लेंथ कितना है?
L.
L. तो कैन आई से इसका मास डबल होगा इससे? अरे भाई, यस और नो? बिकॉज इट इज यूनिफॉर्म बॉडी ना. तो अगर लेंथ उसका डबल है तो मास भी डबल होगा ना, बिकॉज मास पर यूनिट लेंथ इज कांस्टेंट. हेलो हेलो हेलो, आर यू गेटिंग इट? हेलो.
Yes, sir.
अब हमको इन दोनों के बीच में सेंटर ऑफ मास निकालना है. कैन एनीवन टेल मी? अच्छा, एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ सेंटर ऑफ मास तो 0 है, बिकॉज ये दोनों 0 है, दिख रहा है आपको. तो व्हाट इज वाई कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ सेंटर ऑफ मास का फॉर्मूला? m1 y1 plus m2 y2 upon m1 plus m2. Can I write this as m1 is 2m, y1 is L, m2 is m, 12 upon m1 plus m2 is 3m. Are you understanding? Hello.
Yes, sir.
कितना होता है ये m and m cancel. 2l plus 2l, that is 4l by 3. Hello. Can I say the coordinate of center of mass is 0, 4l by 3? I hope you don't have any tension in this thing. Hello. बोलो भाई. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
तो अगर इस पॉइंट पे मैंने फोर्स लगाया तो ये पूरा बॉडी ट्रांसलेशनल मोशन करता रहेगा, मतलब आगे जाएगा वो. इट विल नॉट टॉपल, क्योंकि कोई भी दूसरी पॉइंट पे अगर आप फोर्स लगाएंगे ना तो इट विल टॉपल. यस और नो? ऐसे हो जाएगा ना बेटा. हेलो. बट आप अगर ये पॉइंट पे फोर्स लगाएंगे तो दिस होल बॉडी इज गोना मूव इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. आर यू गेटिंग इट?
Sir.
हेलो. कुछ यस और नो? दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट. ओके फाइन. Listen to me now. Question number 14. Good question. Listen to me. A cricket ball of mass 150 grams moving at the speed of 126 kilometers per hour hits the middle of the bat, held firmly at its position of the batsman by the batsman. The ball moves straight back to the bowler after hitting the bat. Assuming that the collision between the ball and the bat is completely elastic and two remain in contact for this much time, the force. तो देखो एक्चुअली हुआ क्या, कुछ दम नहीं है क्वेश्चन में. एक बॉल था, मास है में, वेलोसिटी भी है, ये जा रहा है बैट की तरफ. ये सपोज हमारा बैट है. यस और नो? हेलो. व्हाटएवर इज दैट. My drawing is not nice, please. Okay. So this goes and it again turns back with the same speed. Who told you it is turning back with the same speed? Which statement tells you?
Elastic collision.
Yeah, it is elastic collision. So the bat is held firmly. मतलब ये तो रेस्ट पर है. This is firm. Firm मतलब ये बैट तो रेस्ट पर है. बॉल आके टकरा के वापस चला गया. Okay, I want to find the force that the batsman is able to hold. The force. Force का फॉर्मूला आपको याद है? Force is change in momentum upon time taken. Hello, are you there with me? This is actually laws of motion का question है. Can anyone tell me what is change in momentum of the ball? Hello, 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 hello. You have done it 100 times.
2 MV.
2 MV. How did you get 2 MV? Because it is going opposite ना, तो MV minus or minus MV. Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
M कितना है? 150 grams है. Grams मतलब -3. Velocity कितना है? 126 kilometer per hour. Can I multiply by 5 by 18 upon time? Hello, are you there with me or not, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This is the average force exerted by the ball on the bat. तो उतने ही ताकत से अगर आपने बैट को पकड़ लिया तो it will remain firm. It is 1.05 into 10 is to 4. This we can calculate and we will get the result. C is the answer. Getting it? Hello, hello, hello. Yes or no? Correct है ना?
Yes, sir.
This was actually a sum based on laws of motion only. यहाँ पर फिर से पूछ लिया because it is involving impulse also. Large force acting on the body for a short time. So this is all okay. We have done this. एक बार ऐसे आएगा ना, एक चैप्टर ऐसे आएगा रोटेशन में जिधर आपको ऐसे लगेगा कि सब कुछ हमने किया है, सिर्फ वी नीड टू कंबाइन ऑल द कॉन्सेप्ट्स एंड पुट इट टुगेदर. ओके, रोटेशनल मोशन जब हम चैप्टर पढ़ेंगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि सब कुछ किया हुआ है, आपको सिर्फ सब कॉन्सेप्ट्स को साथ में जोड़ना है. ओके, एंड देन वी गो टू करंट एंड इलेक्ट्रोडायनेमिक्स एंड इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स. वो भी वही कहानी है, सबको जोड़ना साथ में, एंड देन you put it together. So single, and then we joined everything. Good question. See, question number 15. Two identical ball bearings in contact. देखो ये main question है बेटा, यहाँ पर this is the main question. ये 4 answers है. Hello, are you there?
Yes, sir.
ये question है. देखो क्या हो रहा है. There's ball 1 going with speed v. 1, 2 and 3 are touching, they are at rest. ये जब आके 1 टकराएगा 2 से तो क्या होगा. ओके, क्वेश्चन में कह रहा है कि 1 आया, 1 ने 2 से टकराया, but 2 and 3 are in contact. You have seen this in YouTube videos also, na? Hello, remember? अरे भाई, we have seen na like this. What is that called technically? I don't know. And once you pull this to height h and leave it, what will happen? Can anyone tell me what will happen? Hello, याद है किसी ने देखा है?
One will move.
Yeah, the fourth one will come out. Will all come out? Will all move?
No.
No.
Only this guy will move and come here. Getting it? Hello?
Yes,
Hello? You know why this happens? You know why this happens? See, I'll try to explain. Actual answer क्या है? 1, 2, 3, 4 में बोलो answer क्या है? Then I'll explain the concept. पहले answer बता दो. A, B, C, D. What is the answer?
B.
B.
B ना, देखो ना. अरे third one will come out ना बेटा. तो ये आंसर तो ये है, हमने प्रैक्टिकली देखा भी है इसको, बट इसका कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है हम लोग देखते हैं. यहाँ पर देखो इधर, और यहाँ पर वर्ड है इलास्टिक कोलिजन. ना, यहाँ पर वर्ड है इलास्टिक कोलिजन. इलास्टिक बिना काम नहीं चलेगा. तो मैं आपको दूसरे तरीके से एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ टेक्निकली कि क्या हो रहा है एक्चुअली इसमें. सी, suppose there was 1, there was 2, and this guy came the speed v, and तीनों का मास भी सेम है. ठीक है. Can anyone tell me what is initial momentum of the system? And it is which collision? Hello? Hello?
Elastic.
आप मुझे कहेंगे कि भाई चलो एक काम करते हैं, ये इनिशियल है सर. यू विल टेल मी सर ऐसे नहीं करते हैं हम लोग, एक काम करते हैं. क्या ऐसे नहीं हो सकता है? ही विल स्टॉप एंड दे बोथ मूव विद अ कॉमन स्पीड ऑफ v by 2. ये भी हो सकता था ना. हेलो, क्या ये हो सकता था? ये भी हो सकता था. देखते हैं हम लोग. प्लीज पे अटेंशन. ये कंडीशन क्यों बराबर नहीं है, दैट वी विल ट्राई टू डू. Can anyone tell me what is initial momentum and final momentum? What is the initial momentum of the system? अरे बोलो man, बोलो, come on fast यार. Initial momentum is mv ना.
Yes, sir.
Final momentum कितना रहेगा? यार दोनों मूव हो रहे हैं with a speed v by 2. बोलो, क्या ये सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है? क्या ये सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है? हाँ कर रहा है. देखो दोनों साइड पे mv आया कि नहीं? आया कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
आया. वेट. बट इलास्टिक कोलिजन में 2 कंडीशंस है. कौन सा चीज और सेटिस्फाई होना चाहिए?
Kinetic energy conserved.
ये तो सही है, ये तो मोमेंटम तो सही है. Kinetic energy should also be conserved. Now pay attention to me, huh? Kinetic energy should also be conserved. Look over here, please. What is initial kinetic energy of the system? जल्दी बोलो. भाई initial kinetic energy of the system कितना रहेगा? Final kinetic energy of the system कितना होना चाहिए? Half m. But m कितना है? M plus m into v by 2 का square. Yes or no? Yes or no? They should match ना. They should match. तो यहाँ पर ये क्या है 2m और ये हो जाएगा v square by 4. देखो, is it matching or what? Hello? अरे भाई, half mv square is not matching with mv square by 4. Yes or no? हेलो
Yes.
बेटा, हाँ ना बोलो. बहुत अच्छा प्रूफ किया है यार. What is happening? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That means in case of elastic collision, if one is coming, then two cannot come out because this is not getting satisfied. If one is coming, then one has to come out. Because initial momentum should also be satisfied and initial kinetic energy, final kinetic energy should also be satisfied. Beta हाँ ना बोलो, correct है? Hello? So this is the proof for one ball going and one will only come out with a velocity. Two cannot come out. This is wrong. Hello?
Yes, sir.
What happened? Getting it, no? Getting it. Okay, fine. So this lecture, this chapter is important and it is based on law of conservation of linear momentum and collisions. Properly, you have to do it. You all are not listening, man. Come on. Are you getting it? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. 2 questions more and I will ask you all. Rishi, are you there, beta?
Yes, sir.
चलो ये आंसर आप दो. ड्यूरिंग इनइलास्टिक कोलिजन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिमेन्स. इनइलास्टिक कोलिजन में कौन सी चीज कंजर्व्ड है? इनइलास्टिक कोलिजन में
Momentum.
ओनली मोमेंटम. काइनेटिक एनर्जी नॉट कंजर्व्ड. ओके, ये तो सबको मालूम है. लॉस ऑफ काइनेटिक एनर्जी होता है. कैन एनीवन टेल मी द फार्मूला? ऋषि आप ही बताओ, व्हाट इज द फार्मूला फॉर काइनेटिक एनर्जी? लॉस इन
Of
काइनेटिक एनर्जी.
m1 m2 upon m1 plus m2
तो
into
मोमेंटम तो
u1
कंजर्व्ड
minus
है.
u2 square.
लॉस इन काइनेटिक एनर्जी इज हाफ m1 m2. ये बहुत यूज होने वाला है, बहुत ज्यादा यूज होने वाला है ये. into u1 minus u2 the whole square. ये लॉस है काइनेटिक एनर्जी का. कौन सा कोलिजन में? दिस कोलिजन इज व्हिच कोलिजन? परफेक्टली इन इलास्टिक. याद रखना बेटा, एंड में ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए कि आपको आ रहा ही नहीं है. प्लीज. ओके, आई एम गोइंग वेरी स्लो. 20 क्वेश्चंस, दैट आल्सो मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर सीन. ओके, इसको बार बार 2 बार 3 बार प्रैक्टिस करो. इंट्रोडक्टरी एक्सरसाइज को बार बार प्रैक्टिस करो. And I'm starting practice lectures also on Friday. So जिन लोगों को Marvel lectures बैठना है, they can sit on Friday. Every Friday will be practice lectures. Question number 18 पर आता है. Which of the following does center of mass lie outside the body? Okay. I will ask you all. Vinaya, beta, Vinaya, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Beta, which of the following center of mass lies outside the body? A pencil, a short part, a dice, or a bangle? I have done this. Bangle is like a ring.
Yes, sir.
Where will the center of mass lie on the bangle? In a bangle? Is it inside the is it outside the body or lying within the body? Bangle mein?
Sir, in the center outside the body.
Outside the body. So answer will be, because pencil is a full body, dice is a full body. Dice is like tube, na? Hello. That is all okay. This is lying outside the body. That is all correct. Fine. Now, who is going to answer this? Here, beta. Here, are you
Yes,
there?
sir.
Here, beta, you can see there is a hollow sphere. और उसमें नीचे के पार्ट में सैंड भरा हुआ है. बराबर है?
Yes, sir.
Where will the center of mass lie? At point A? At point B?
No.
At point C? Or at point
Yes,
D?
sir. C.
Where? C point पर. What is the concept? Center of mass lies near the
More
heavier mass. Near the,
heavier mass.
do you know the formula? Yes or no? So it will lie near the heavier mass because more mass is here ना. ये दिख रहा है आपको? More mass is here ना. देखो ये सबसे ज्यादा मास है. यहाँ पर भी मास कम हो रहा है ना, तो heavier mass के नजदीक है. तो can I say this will be the center of mass? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
COM lies near heavier mass. Important concept, huh? If you don't know, remember. Answer is C. Okay. Fine. Last question, question number 20. And then Friday go. I am telling you, test will only be based on the sums which have been done, which concepts have been done. ठीक है, चलो शुरू करते हैं. Question number 20. A cannonball is fired with a velocity 200 at an angle of 60 degree with respect to horizontal. कौन सा मोशन है? क्या समझ में आ रहा है? Come on. Projectile motion है, ठीक है? So it is 200, 60 degree. It is going. Correct है ना? Okay. At the highest point, it explodes into 3 fragments. Highest point पे इसका speed कितना होगा? Highest point पे इसका speed कितना रहेगा बाबा? बाबा, tell me.
200 cos 60.
That is what? और 60 half होता है ना? Hello, hello, hello. Yes. It explodes into 3 fragments. One going vertically upward. So I am making another pen, another pen. So I am making the 3 fragments which are finally going at the high, explode into 3 equal fragments. So can I say one fragment is m by 3? Going at the speed of what? 100 meter per second upward. Are you understanding, beta?
Yes, sir.
The
Yes.
second one falling downward. M by 3 going downward. With how much? 100. The third fragment moves where? So suppose the third fragment m by 3 moves this way. The velocity v dash, which I don't know. Did you understand the question? Did you understand? It could be anywhere. I'm just making horizontal. चलेगा ना?
Yes,
चलेगा
sir.
कि नहीं? अच्छा. It can be anywhere. मुझे पता नहीं है. चलो शुरू करते हैं. Can anyone tell me collision में क्या conserved होता है? It breaks under the action of internal force, so external force 0. That means initial momentum is final momentum. Hello. What is initial momentum in the blue color of the system? टूटने से पहले, explode होने से पहले momentum कितना था? Hello. Hello. कितना था blue color में?
0.
0 नहीं था बेटा. कहाँ है? ये 0 थोड़ी है. ये 0 है क्या? It will be m into
M into 100.
I cap. Hello. 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 Yes or no? फाइनली 3 टुकड़ों में बढ़ गया. m by 3 100 ऊपर की तरफ j कैप, m by 3 100 माइनस j कैप, एंड तीसरा वाला m by 3 into v bar. बोलो सही. am I doing correct? बाबा,
Yes, sir.
am I doing correct? अच्छा, कौन कैंसिल हो जाएगा? कौन कैंसिल हो जाएगा?
M by 300 J cap.
कैंसिल हो गया. अब ये तो कोई दम ही नहीं है. देखो ये m और ये m, ये दोनों कैंसिल हो गए. ये m और ये m कैंसिल हो गया. तो v बार का वैल्यू कितना आया?
300 I cap.
300 I cap.
परफेक्ट, डन. 300 मीटर पर सेकेंड. आई कैप मतलब हॉरिजॉन्टल डायरेक्शन. बोलो, गुड क्वेश्चन. यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
और द थर्ड पार्ट 300 आई कैप मतलब 300 की स्पीड से वो हॉरिजॉन्टली ट्रैवल करेगा इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द पॉजिटिव एक्स एक्सिस. आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड. नेक्स्ट टाइम आई विल डू 20 to 40 and Monday we will be doing 40 to 60 and 60 to 70 sums are not there only. They are cancelled. So we'll do till 60 then Monday and then Wednesday uska hum log doubt solving kar lenge and then Friday se I'll start with rotational motion which is the last part of mechanics. ठीक है, चलो, thank you very much, take care, bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.